Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening settings and navigating straight to display and lock. You want the lock screen controls visible. Once there, confirm Hyperos is up to date so new styles appear. Tap the lock screen clock or clock style entry to open the clock selector. This step loads available presets and any downloadable clock packs. You'll see previews instantly. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so widgets refresh correctly when you switch styles. Now pick a preset by swiping through digital, analog, and minimalist options. You're looking for readability and aesthetics. Tap Customize to change font weight, color accents, size, and which secondary widgets show beneath the clock. Use the live preview so you can evaluate contrasts against your wallpaper and adjust text color or shadow for legibility. Once satisfied, hit Apply or Save. This writes the new configuration to the lock screen. Finish by tapping Apply, and then lock your phone to confirm the new clock appears as expected. If it doesn't show, restart the device or toggle Always on Display off and on to force a refresh. Make sure any third-party lock screen apps are disabled because they can override Hyperos settings. If problems persist, clear the clock app cache or revert to the default style, then reapply. This usually resolves corrupted previews or theme conflicts, so your chosen clock displays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.